everyone, once again welcome to Instrumentation Training channel. In today's video we are going to discuss regarding solenoid valve and different types of solenoid valves that are generally used in a manufacturing industry. This video is very useful for the people who wants to learn basic instrumentation. Now we will see what a solenoid valve is. It is an electromechanical valve that is commonly used to control the flow of liquid or gas. Here I am showing the animation of solenoid valve working during energized and de-energized condition for your easy understanding. This valve features a solenoid, which is an electric coil with a movable plunger in its center. In normal position, that is, in a de-energized condition, the plunger closes off a small orifice, and when energized, the current through the coil creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field exerts an upward force on the plunger, opening the orifice, allowing the flow. This is how a simple solenoid valve works. Now we will discuss different types of solenoid valve. First one is direct acting solenoid valve. In this type of direct acting valves, when solenoid energizes, the core was directly open the orifice of a normally closed type valve, or it will close the orifice of a normally open valve. When this same solenoid de-energizes, a spring returns the valve to its original position. These valves operate at its rated maximum pressure. Also, the force needed for opening the valve is directly proportional to the orifice size and fluid pressure as well. Now we will see the next type, that is pilot operated solenoid valve. Generally, these valves are having a pilot and a bleed orifice which will enable them to use the line pressure for the operation. When the solenoid is de-energized, the pilot orifice closes and full line pressure is applied to the top of the piston or diaphragm by the bleed orifice, providing seating force for the tight closure. Also, when the solenoid energizes, the core will open the pilot orifice, relieving the pressure from the top of the piston or diaphragm by the outlet side of the valve. Line pressure then opens the valve by lifting the piston or diaphragm of the main orifice. Next one we will discuss regarding two-way normally closed solenoid valves. A two-way normally closed solenoid valves are having two connections, an inlet which is called the cavity port and an outlet which is called a body orifice port. So when the valve is energized, the plunger opens, which allows the media to flow through the valve in the cavity port and out the body orifice port. And also when it is de-energized or turning off power, the orifice closes and flow moves through the valve will stop. Next we will see two-way normally open solenoid valve. In a two-way normally open solenoid valve are having two pipe connections, an inlet which is called the cavity port and an outlet which is called the stop port. In the normal state, the stop port is open and media flowing through the cavity port and out the stop port. When the valve is energized, the plunger moves and seals the orifice by stopping the flow through the valve. Then when you turn off the power, that is de-energized condition, the orifice opens and flow through the valve will resume back again. Now we will see the next one, that is three-way normally open solenoid valve. The three-way normally open solenoid valve is having three connections. Those are the cavity port, the body orifice port, and finally the stop port. And it has two orifices, the body orifice and the stop orifice, one of which is always in open. So this allows the flow in two paths. When the power is off or de-energized condition, the plunger rises, which seals off the stop orifice and opens the body orifice, allowing the flow through the valve from the body orifice port and out the cavity port. And when the coil is energized, then the plunger moves down and sealing of the body orifice and opening the stop orifice, allowing flow through the valve from the cavity port and out the stop port. Now we will see the next one, that is three-way normally closed solenoid valve. A three-way normally closed solenoid valve is having three connections. These are the cavity port, the body orifice port, and finally the stop port. And it has two orifices, the body orifice and the stop orifice, one of which is always open. So this allows the flow in two paths. When power is off, that is de-energized condition, the plunger moves down which seals off the body orifice and opens the stop orifice, allowing the flow through the valve from the cavity port and out the stop port. And also when the coil is energized, then the plunger rises, sealing off the stop orifice and opening the body orifice, allowing the flow through the body of the valve from the orifice port and out the stop port. Now the last one, which is very important, that is four-way solenoid valve. A four-way valves are generally used for double acting cylinders or actuators. They have 4 or 5 pipe connections, one pressure, 2 cylinder and 1 or 2 exhaust. In this, the position A, pressure is connected to one cylinder port, the other one is connected to exhaust. In position B, pressure and exhaust are reversed at the cylinder ports. That's it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe and comment for more interesting updates. Also, please don't forget to press bell icon for getting notifications on our new videos.